Besides all the integrations you can find in the top right drop-down menu, we have 3 special tools for helping you collect more subscriber emails. To see them, click Forms. I'll go deeper into each one of these in other videos, but for now let's just do a quick overview. The first option is a pop-up form that can be set to show after a specific time on your website. It can also show at a specific moment when scrolling down a web page or when someone tries to leave your website, a so-called exit intent. The next option allows you to create landing pages. You can assign domains or subdomains to your specific pages. You can even create a simple website if you like, and get people to buy your services or products directly. The last option allows you to create a sign-up form that you can place directly on your website. If you use WordPress, you can also check out our WordPress plugin in the Integrations section. This option also allows you to create a subscribe button with a pop-up and place it somewhere on your website. This option is also what you'll need to use if you want to integrate MailerLite with apps like Facebook. In the case of pop-up forms, you can choose a template and then edit it to your liking. In the case of the landing pages, you can also choose a template and then edit it using our drag and drop editor. Each of these features also allows you to create a thank you or success message, a dedicated double opt-in confirmation email, and a thank you confirmation page. You can see the details of each of these options in other videos. I hope you've enjoyed this overview, and I'll see you in the next video.